Hi everyone, welcome to the 10th episode of Xtreme Update. On 22nd January 2024, a historic moment unfolded in Ayodhya. Xtreme Media was presented with a unique opportunity to install India's largest floating LED display in the waters of Ayodhya at Sarayu Ghat, casing the live telecast of Pran Pratishtha ceremony. Kudos to our service team for installing such a large-sized floating LED display in just 2 days. We have installed Earth Series LED display with a pixel pitch of 6.67 mm and size of 21 meter width by 5 meter height is IP66 rated, which ensures the screen's durability and reliability in challenging outdoor weather conditions. Moreover, the LED display of Earth Series comes with an Xtreme Platina 7-year warranty at no extra cost, ensuring peace of mind to our customer. The successful integration of LED display technology into this sacred ceremony showcased Xtreme Media's commitment to innovation, pushing boundaries to create impactful and memorable experiences. Since the live telecast of the Pran Pratishtha ceremony took place during the afternoon, the display's maximum brightness levels of 6,500 nits ensured higher daytime visibility and enhanced the experience of the devotees by providing immersive and vivid visuals. The LED screen's lower power consumption capabilities helped in saving on operational costs. Until the next episode, signing off.